In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound in Fortnite Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it can be really annoying if you have no sound, so what you want to do is go over to the top right where it has that, scroll down and you're going to see the settings wheel icon, so click on that as well. And now all you want to do is go to the audio tab, make sure main is on 100% because everything consists in main. So if that's not high and if that's on 0, then you're not going to hear anything at all. So make sure that's on. And then all you want to do is, like, if you're having issues hearing any dialogue or voice chat or sound effects, you want to make sure to turn those individual values up as well. This is how I prefer it, but you might want to have like cinematics higher or anything like that. So I'll put cinematics on 15%. And yeah, that's literally it. As for sound quality and 3D headphones, I'd recommend having these on low and off just because they do increase like your input delay. And where it has your audio output device, make sure it's your actual speakers or your headset, whatever you're using right now that you want to listen with, listen to Fortnite with. That's what you want it to be. So for my example, mine's the system default output on my mixer, but you might want it to be headphones or anything like that. So make sure to change it to your headset, speakers, whatever you're using, and then you'll be good to go. But yeah, it's as simple as that. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.